Nikola Tesla died on January 7, 1943, in room 3327 of the New Yorker Hotel. Within hours, the Office of Alien Property arrived to seize every document, blueprint, and personal diary he left behind. Tesla spent his final years in isolation. While his early work transformed the world, his obsession with secrecy led peers to dismiss him as paranoid. Despite his American citizenship, the government treated his belongings as the property of a foreign national. Trunks filled with research and a black notebook marked government were taken into federal custody. Under J. Edgar Hoover, the FBI opened a file on the inventor, concerned that his claims of a death ray capable of ending all wars were more than the ramblings of a troubled mind. The government's hand-picked expert, Dr. John G. Trump, reviewed the archives and concluded the work was largely philosophical, with no practical value. Yet for over 70 years, the majority of these papers remained under wraps. When 250 pages were finally declassified in 2016, they provided only a fragmented view. Researchers found a chaotic mixture of complex equations and diaries written in 4 different languages. The 1943 investigation failed because Tesla had protected his findings with a multi-layered linguistic system. Analyzing his work required a level of computational processing that did not exist during his lifetime. In December 2024, Google introduced the Willow quantum processor. This 72-qubit superconducting chip is designed to solve problems that would exhaust the capacity of any classical supercomputer. Researchers applied Willow's processing power to Tesla's archives, using its ability to simulate complex physical systems in a virtual environment. Unlike classical bits that are either 0 or 1, quantum bits exist in superposition. This allows Willow to evaluate millions of configurations simultaneously. Willow processed thousands of Tesla's interdependent equations, identifying the exact parameters that made his unconventional theories physically consistent. The team fed Tesla's multilingual diaries into the system alongside his engineering fragments, tasking the AI with identifying patterns that linked his poetic descriptions to his mathematical data. The results confirmed that the notes were not erratic musings. Tesla had used multilingual metaphors as a precise form of encryption, shielding a cohesive technical framework from discovery. Willow identified that a Serbian metaphor about shaking invisible threads and a French phrase describing a silent symphony were linguistic markers. When cross-referenced, they pointed to the same physical principle. These markers correlated with a technical term appearing in Tesla's drawings, the handshake of the ether. Willow defined this handshake as a threshold of rotational energy, a method to tap into vacuum energy. By mapping these markers to his logs, Willow completed the ultimate amplifier. The system uses nonlinear effects to create self-reinforcing loops, generating output significantly higher than the input. This completed model matches the resonance charts Tesla recorded during his experiments in Colorado Springs. The AI confirms that his device was designed to produce the localized energy densities required for his claims of wireless power. By embedding technical protocols in multilingual poetry, Tesla ensured his most radical physics would only be understood by a society with the technology to handle them. Willow simulated Tesla's planetary wireless power system. The AI modeled how his magnifying transmitter could induce standing waves into the Earth itself, using scalar waves. The simulation identified nodal points in the Earth's field where energy would accumulate. When these positions were compared to modern astrophysical data, the team found precise correlations. The frequencies Tesla meticulously logged in the 1890s mirror the range of unexplained gravitational microwaves detected by LIGO and the timing of fast radio bursts first observed by astronomers in 2007. The probability of this alignment occurring by chance is virtually zero. Tesla's equipment detected cosmic phenomena that modern physics is only now beginning to categorize. However, the AI's decryption also uncovered a darker application of these field theories, the practical engineering schematics for the teleforce. The blueprints describe a compact directed energy weapon. By focusing charged particles through specific electromagnetic configurations, it fires a beam at near light speed, bypassing current defense systems and rendering traditional deterrence obsolete. The U.S. government did not suppress a collection of eccentricities. They archived a physical framework that anticipated modern field theory by a century. We are only now reaching the technological threshold Tesla envisioned in 1943.